In front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and access Apps section. Then click on Dual Apps, misclick, and hit Create at the bottom. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Amazon Shopping. So when I do that, I need to select Turn On in the pop-up. Now when I go back, as you can see, Amazon app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your clone, go into the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to create clone of one of your recommended apps, click on the chosen one, clone it thanks to this switcher next to Dual Apps feature, and then adjust all of those options. You can tap on Share to Facebook and click on one of those, always ask Default App or Dual App, and then do exactly the same in Sign In using Facebook, and wake up Google Assistant. In order to delete your clone, tap on the same switcher at the top. Lastly, select OK in Uninstall Dual App pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!